Today we're going to do the second half of section P4. We're going to use U substitution in order to factor. If you'll look at example number 1, notice that 2x minus 1 and 2x minus 1 are both in parentheses. So we're going to let U equal 2x minus 1. And then rewrite the problem as 4x times U plus U squared. This makes the problem simpler to factor. So now each term has a U in common, so we can take out the U. That leaves 4x in the first term and U in the second term. This problem is now completely factored, so the next step is to take the 2x minus 1 and put it back in for U. So we're going to replace it right there. The 4x stays the same, and then where the U used to be, now we're going to write 2x minus 1. And the last step is to combine like terms. 4x and 2x is 6x. And now it's completely factored. It's 2x minus 1 and 6x minus 1. For problem number 2, if you look in the parentheses, sorry about that. If you look at the parentheses here, we have 3 minus 4x and another 3 minus 4x. So we will let U equal 3 minus 4x. Now rewrite the problem as 5U squared minus 8U times 5x minus 1. Now we need to distribute the negative 8U. So that will give us 5U squared minus 40UX plus 8U Now notice there's a common factor of U in each term. So we will factor that out. That will leave you with 5U minus 40x plus 8. And this cannot be factored. There's nothing else we can do, so we will take the 3 minus 4x and replace the u's. 3 minus 4x goes in for u right there. And 3 minus 4x goes here. We still have some simplification to do. We need to distribute this 5. I'm going to come up here, rewrite the 3 minus 4x, and then 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times negative 4 is negative 20x. We still have minus 40x plus 8. +15 plus 8 is 23. Negative 20x and negative 40x is negative 60x. And there are no common factors, so we are done. Our last example for today, again, if you look in the parentheses, there's an x squared plus 1, so we will let u equal x squared plus 1. Rewrite the problem, x squared over 2 times u to the 4th minus u to the 5th. The common factor is u to the 4th. Take that out. That leaves x squared over 2 minus u. And there's nothing else we can do. So we will put the x squared plus 1 back in. And I'm going to go ahead and make this x squared over 2. I'm going to rewrite that as 1/2 x squared. And we rewrite the u as x squared plus 1. We need to distribute this negative. That gives you minus x squared minus 1. And finally, we combine some like terms. 1/2 x squared minus 1x squared is negative 1/2 that's negative 1/2 x squared minus 1, and that's it. That is completely factored.